Hey guys, Alex here. In today's vlog, I'll be giving you a real estate update on Cebu City. Today, Cebu is the biggest real estate location outside of Metro Manila with more than 1.3 million square meters of leasable office space alone, according to data from Colliers Philippines. It is also the wealthiest province in the Philippines in both pure and net assets, according to a recent report from the Commission on Audit. Cebu, the most affluent province in the Philippines, is generating the interest of property seekers and investors, according to industry experts with Property Guru Philippines Property Awards. Richard Raimundo, the managing director of Colliers Philippines, mentioned that with more players getting into the market, projects have evolved and improved in Cebu. We have seen regional malls built as the consumer market and its spending power has increased. Residential developments have also evolved from simple house and lot developments to luxury high-rise projects in the city and Mactan. Aside from the local market, it is also attracting investors from the Vismin region and also even buyers from Metro Manila and abroad that are looking to diversify. This is certainly true because I know of some clients in Mindanao and who are based in Luzon and developers as well who have expanded to Cebu because of how competitive and vibrant the real estate market there is. So usually investors who already have properties in CDO will either look to Cebu or Manila as their next city of expansion. If they don't have like regular business transactions in Manila, they will usually choose Cebu as it is nearer and also a metro city. Higher-end residential developments are now commanding higher price points in Cebu as many buyers, due to the restrictions brought about by the pandemic, now desire bigger lot cuts for their property. The different infrastructure developments have also led to an increase in the valuations of land across the city. According to an article by B-World Online, transport infrastructure projects are poised to benefit the property sector in Cebu. So the newly opened Cebu Cordova Link Expressway CCLEX is boosting the interest in SRP South Road properties with projects by Property Guru Philippines Property Award-winning companies like Ayala Land, SM, Philinvest, and Robinsons developing in the area. The Cebu Cordova Bridge is an 8.9-kilometer tall bridge expressway that connects South Road properties in Cebu City and mainland Cebu and Cordova on Mactan Island. So this has become an iconic infrastructure as well, as it is currently the longest sea crossing bridge in the Philippines, surpassing the San Juanico Bridge between Samar and Leyte. This bridge was even used as a catwalk by Miss Cebu in Miss Universe Philippines Runway Walk. Meanwhile, the new international airport in Mactan has magnified capacity for domestic and international flights into Cebu province, leading to more investments in leisure developments. Construction of the new airport terminal, designated as Terminal 2, began in June 2015, and the facility was opened to passengers in July of 2018. So the new terminal increased the airport's capacity from 4.5 million to 12.5 million travelers. So according to Mr. Raimundo, just like the experience in Metro Manila with infrastructure developments, unlocking land values and property prices, the recently completed and planned infrastructure projects would bode well for the real estate industry in Cebu. So the new Cebu Cordova Expressway is unlocking values and easing traffic going in and out of the airport into Cebu City. So moving forward, you will see an increase in critical mass in the area and greater variety in land uses. Condominium prices have also risen from 132,000 per square meter in 2012 to more than 400,000 per square meter in some of the most expensive villas in Mactan, with several national developers already launching high-end projects in the popular resort destination, according to Colliers Philippines. 38 Park Avenue, a ready-for-occupancy condo project by Cebulan Masters, is now at 224,000 per square meter. This would be an ideal investment for those working near the IT park because this project is inside IT park and is also ready for occupancy. Cebu IT Park is the BGC of Cebu. Mr. Raimundo further adds that as a result of the highland valleys in Cebu, high-rise residential is also a familiar development in the city. So this has attracted major developers like Ayala, Rockwell, Philinvest, Mega World, Robinson's Land, Arthur Land, HT Land to land bank and launch projects. Homegrown developers like Cebu Land Masters and BF Paray have also found their niche in the market. Cebu's strategic location as an educational hub in Vismin has also meant a pool of talent that has attracted major BPOs and KPOs. So aside from Cebu Business Park and IT Park, expect expansions in the fringes and new mixed-use developments from national and homegrown developers. So there it is. There we have it. Exciting times are up ahead of us because as the real estate market of Cebu grows, the city will grow as well, it becomes more developed, and real estate prices will rise, and there will be more opportunity to be had. That's it for today's real estate update. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you'd like to be updated of the real estate updates in Visayas and Mindanao, then send me an email so I can add you to my mailing list.